To kwang'eyo weche mag ohala, weche go motudre gi mag ohala gin ni duka maduong' motelo e pacho ka mong'ere kaka Naivas supermarket koro noyawo bade mar 80 e ot mar Greenspan mayudore e gwenge mag Donholm, Nairobi. Molo nogono en iwacho ni okete kanyo maywayo oganda mathoth ahinya nikech kaluwore kod ohala man malo matimore e alwora ma kamano. Kuma kaka nyasi ne chalo.
Again, first of all, being our HS store, being in Eastlands is actually where we really started the whole Naivas journey as far as the brand Naivas is concerned. When we actually opened our Eastgate store, our Eastgate store used to be the bestseller for electronics, bestseller for clothing, bestseller for most of the things. And with that, we got the whole motivation to even bolden our scope inside Nairobi. And we have to say that we have gotten a lot of support from the Eastlands community. And then here comes a mall. And this mall, Greenspan Mall, is also a destinational mall. A proper destination mall that we're asking ourselves, how come we see customers coming in with bags of other competitor stores for everyday shopping, yet we can actually give them that particular shopping in Eastlands. And that's why this store for us is a very critical store. We love every bit of it. We have given every inch of it. It's 57,000 square foot, which is also the biggest Naivas store, not only for Eastlands, but the biggest Naivas store. And we have made sure that this store, we shall actually activate this store to actually bring it and add as much value, because there's no other land or piece of land or a real estate that you can actually get around this area that can be able to be such kind of a destinational mall or destinational shopping. So this is what we can actually call from a 360 angle a success execution. And not only that, we're working with our suppliers very closely. We have 3 more stores actually coming up within the next week. We have Imara store that will actually be opening next week. We also have Katani, just past Syokimau. Happy to say that we also have now Kiambu Mall, a place we have always wanted to go to, just past Kiambu town. So that we actually also opening a store. And we keep to the same mantra that if a store does not work, we shut it down. And so we have one store that we are considering to also shut down. And when we do, we shall also do as much as possible to also tell people, because if anybody, we have learned from our people that it's not about just opening stores, it's about a store being profitable. If a store is not profitable, we are shutting it down. That is our mantra, and that is exactly what we shall do.